I'm going to speak about the new monetary system. I learned about something last week and I wanted to do research to make sure that I understood it and to make sure that it was true. And it is true. And if you invest in crypto, especially utility crypto, especially XRP, you're going to want to listen to me if you're not aware of this yet. So I'm going to get right to it because I don't want this to be a 30-minute video. Stablecoin. I'm going to start with this first. The World Bank has officially recognized Ripple's native cryptocurrency, XRP, as a stablecoin. This classification marks a significant milestone for Ripple and its digital asset, underscoring its growing acceptance and utility in the global financial landscape. 1099 DA. That's a 1099 digital asset. I started investing very late in life, but in the past few years, I've learned a lot. And when I prepare my tax return, I dabble a little bit in stocks. They send you a 1099. They send you a special form. And I'll get to that. I have it open. But you have to submit that with your tax return. So now they're creating the IRS, 1099 DA, 1099 digital assets. What does that mean? If you've been actively trading or investing in digital assets through a digital asset broker like Coinbase and Gemini, I'm just going to use those two as an example because those are two that I personally use. Not your, okay, I get that. You're probably on the list. Your broker will be required to submit Form 1099 DA to the IRS to report your transactions, and you'll receive a copy for your records. Now, in a moment, I'm going to share with you how that's going to help me as I'm a part of the 1% because I've been paying for a service to put together a comma-separated file, personal document file that I can submit when I do my tax return so they know what I have. That's hard to do, but it had to be done. The IRS knows about almost all my wallet addresses. I keep getting better. I think I got most of them in there, but I'll show you that in a moment. Let me continue. I don't want to lose you here. Now, stable coins. Oh, where was that one? Oh, when does this start? The IRS is giving everyone some time to get their ducks in a row. Brokers won't start issuing these forms until 2026, covering transactions from 2025. The IRS is also providing transitional relief to brokers for the first year, so your 1099 DA may even be late. Of course, they have to give them a window to start getting this rolled out because it's going to be a regular occurrence. Now, stable coins. The IRS has introduced the concept of qualifying stable coins. Well, I just discussed what's a qualifying stable coin. Well, the World Bank has officially recognized Ripple's native cryptocurrency, XRP, as a stable coin. These are digital assets designed to maintain a stable value relative to a specific currency, typically the US dollar. For these assets, the IRS has implemented a $10,000 annual de minimis threshold. This means if your total transactions in qualifying stablecoins for the year don't exceed $10,000, your broker isn't required to report them. Okay, but I'm someone that I know I'm going to exceed that 2025. I dabble with Coinbase all the time and Gemini, and I know what I hold. And that the IRS requesting creating a new form for tax returns. Let me get here. We discussed that. I was, reading about it more on the IRS website, irs.gov. The IRS updates draft version of Form 1099-DA, digital asset proceeds from broker transactions. And you can read more about it. But the point is, okay, let me get a little further. The IRS Form 8949 is used to report capital gains and losses from investments for tax filing. If you dabble in the stock market, then you know what that form is on your tax return. That's something I've learned from doing my own taxes. It shows every single transaction, and I learned the hard way. I was playing with penny stocks and everything. Oh my God. I had a folder like this, and I have a folder like that. Forms after forms. Every transaction. That's stuff you learn when you do it yourself. Crypto taxes done right. Now, this is what I'm talking about. I pay to use this, and it's over a couple $100. I have almost every wallet address I own into the CoinTracker account that I have, and connect your crypto wallets and exchanges to get your optimized tax report in minutes, because I would never be able to do that. And I've been using that for the past 2 years. And the IRS knows what I own. They know my wallet addresses. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there. I got most of them on there. I'm going to do better this year because I'm not giving up. With that, okay, I'm getting lost a little bit. With the new 1099-DA form that will be sent to cryptocurrency investors, you won't have to pay for a service like this. And I look forward to that, because you're just going to submit the data when you do your taxes. Hand it to your accountant. So you will have a 1099, a copy of your 1099-DA. You won't have to go through what I went through. I mean, I just keep getting better. I connected the exchanges, the cryptocurrency exchanges, and I also connected whatever wallets I could connect, and wallet addresses. Well, I have so many of them. I have many of these. There are a lot of wallet addresses on these. I have a few of these. This is a Ledger. And I have the Decent, and I also have that old Ellable that I might have to, if I have to hire someone to upgrade the firmware because I can't do it. Oh, and there was a big breach with Ellable. I should have had that open for this video. I read the email. It was bad. Oh, I should do a separate video on that. That just came to mind. That was a couple of weeks ago. I got the email. There was some kind of breach with the Ellable guys, so be careful with that. I'm just sharing with you what I was informed. And it's, public knowledge. Be careful with that. I'm so happy I got 90% of my crypto off of that, but I got all the utility crypto off of that. Thank God. This is a Decent wallet on my own central bank. I look forward to the day that it's not this stressful. And I believe in my 60s, it won't be this stressful. I feel when regulation comes around, and now there's proof with the 1099-DAs, digital assets form for your tax return, it will get easier. Figuring out, going it alone. I have nobody to bounce off of here except the people online, which is keeping my sanity. My environment don't know. I mean, I know a few people that have just a little bit, and they think they're, superstars. They have no clue. I mean, it'll be, I look at them and I go, that's cute. They have no idea what I have invested in utility crypto, in the new monetary system, and in robotics. I really lived with that and worked very hard for the past 3 to 4 years like crazy lady. And I got real tired, and all of a sudden I crashed. Because you only can live like that for so long. On my own central bank. Nobody's helping me. I'm the one that probably will help people in the future, but I'm going to be out and about living life when everybody else is panicking, because I'll be able to, because I can do whatever I want to do whenever I want to do it, because I truly believe that I own something so valuable that I will live a very, I won't have to worry about money. I can do whatever I want whenever I want. And I know that's coming. So if you think that cryptocurrency is a joke, they want to be forcing cryptocurrency broker exchanges, mandating them that starting 2025, you better keep track, because in 2026, you got to send us a 1099 DA. And we're giving you a little bit of a window to get all your ducks in a row. Do you think that's not money? That's the new monetary system. I know this video is already long. Until the next video clip, if you want to join Coinbase, visit the link in the description below. That's my affiliate link. And right now, Coinbase is giving you $10 Bitcoin to mess around with. You want to buy utility, future utility cryptos. But use my affiliate link, because I'll take anything if it's for free, you know. You might as well earn it. I use the Coinbase Visa debit card and I receive crypto back, like cash back, crypto back when I spend cash. You know, I'm just continuing building my portfolio as long as they're allowing me to do it for free. Why not? Okay. I hope you found the video educational, informative, eye-opening. If you didn't know, you know now. See you in the next video clip.